West Coast, then drop the top and roll straight. SMVCC 805 is the go to state. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than the BIG, BAD13C. I got love for the place that raised me, even though times get a little crazy. So I gotta give love back, either gangbang, slang, or pull a motherfucking jack. It's all good, cause I'm driving nice cars. Pretty soon 25 to life spent behind bars. A ruthless lifestyle, cause I'm a son of a gun. I'm only 19, but will I live to see 21? A little motherfucker, so you better step back. Try to pull a jack, I'll feed you bullets for a fucking snack. Pero ahorita que se up on the land, they're coming from Detroit, por vida loco sureño.
Two blocks smashing deep in my city. One time acting up just because I'm rolling clean in a Chevy. Dark skin Mexican, standing 5'0", put the pedal to the floor, hit my glass backs roll.